Today we are going to view one of my favorite listings. It's the only property for sale that has straight views to the port of Campomanes. Let's check it out. This property is worth 2.5 million euros. It sits on a plot of 1,000 square meters, has 500 square meters built that is distributed on 3 floors. On the top floor, we have 3 bedrooms, the middle floor, living room, kitchen, and swimming pool. And on the downstairs floor, there is a cinema, a sauna, and another bedroom and access to the terrace. Let's go straight to the entrance. Walking in to the property, first thing you see is this beautiful modern design with this high window and high door. Here on the right, there is the carport to park the car. A lot of natural plants, really nicely done, the lighting. Whoa, what a luxury feeling it gives me just coming in here. I love the lighting that they've done. Through this door, you have an ensuite bedroom. Coming through the other door is another ensuite bedrooms with views to the sea, and they're also using top quality furniture. Just check it out. This is the master bedroom. I love the wooden effect that they've put on the floor. Furniture, really good quality, and from here you're looking straight out to the harbour of Altea and all of the boats. Here you also get first thing in the morning sun, and then straight behind me there is the walk-in wardrobe. Enough space to put your clothes, ladies, love it. And then coming straight ahead you have this nice white modern bathroom. You walk in here and it's the wow moment. Quality is amazing. I love the countertop. It's all connected in one piece. We have top appliances nearly. The floor is actually Italian. And then coming to this side, look on this side, the wooden fireplace, how luxury it is. It is enormous when you see it in person. And this gives heat out to the whole main floor. This property has a lot of natural light coming in because the windows are designed all the way from the floor till the ceiling, and it's surrounding the home with big windows. Look at this outside. You got this beautiful infinity pool looking straight out to the sea. It even feels like you're floating, and you look also to the harbour of Campomanes. That's where they have restaurants, nightclubs, bars. You can also leave your boats, you can rent them, and jet skis. Look how cool the structure is and the design from this side of the property. It looks like a house from a famous person. But now it's time to go to the theatre room. We are now on the ground floor, and these 2 doors is where you have the top appliances to be able to control the house, like the filter of the water, the floor heating, the Wi-Fi, all of the electrics, and much more. Coming straight through here, you go to the theatre room. Really nice, cozy room. It is completely isolated. On this side, we're still missing the big television, and then it's got surround system around the whole place, and over on this side, it's ready to put a wine cellar. When you come out the theatre room, this door is a bathroom. You can see that the whole home is high quality materials. And then coming this way, there is an enormous sauna. And this is the ground floor bedroom with this big walk-in wardrobe. And then the bed going straight out to the terrace from the ground floor. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. And if you're interested in viewing this home, click in the link below. I'll get straight to you and help you out. And also, if you would like to see more videos like this, click on this playlist. There's some good properties there. Check it out. I see you on the next one. Dun-dun-dun.